Here we have CME group. Pre-market volume, 0. But how do I get an entry going into the opening bell and pre-market futures on jobs report Monday? The close was 250, but how do I work that bid at 249.32 and 254? I'm going to be a short seller over here, and I'm also, if someone was to take my short entry, then I'm going to get back over here on that bid and I'm going to buy it back at a lower price. And or what I'm going to do right now is that I know that it closed at 250. I'm going to put a limit order below this bid on open to buy at 246.75, and I'm going to verify that no volume print. Now there's no volume print, and the reason why we're doing this live is because it's not all the time do we get an example that we can go in here and start executing live orders here and now. How do I take a zero volume pre-market, and how do I get on that opening bell, and how do I try to steal that bid from that close? And we are 5:58 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12/2/2011. That's the time right now. And CME trades as a listed stock on the NYSE. And you can see it. And you can see that wide bid and ask was zero volume. And how do I get in there? How do I trade that and take that market order at that wholesale bid entry below the market and then sell it back to the public? Info at stockmarketfunding.com. We will be bringing all of these various different type of training within the bid and ask ranges of pre-market zero volume, low volume, high volume. It won't matter. What will matter is the actual bid price that you get hit at. So I'm going to drop my bids down here on the open, and I'm going to put my live orders out there at about 246.75, and they closed at 250, and it's pre-market, and we have 31 minutes to the opening bell, and we do. And there's the ask, and there's the bid, and there's the close. And we will, stay tuned, we will be happy to show you how to trade the opening bell. Pre-market futures is the subject. Pre-market futures is the trade management under that subject. And how do I work the bid and ask is under that subject. And how do I steal the opening price print and then sell it back to who? The public. How do I take advantage, and what are the mechanics of the bid and ask? That's what it's about. It's not about, hey, I'm just looking only at a chart and this and that. You can do that all day long. How's that going to get you the entry? Stay tuned. Info at stockmarketfunding.com. Not only that, how do I steal the bid and sell it back to the public?